Good morning, my dear students. I am Nirman sir, and today I am going to tell you a very beautiful story about four college students. But before I start my story, let us all get ready for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
So, my dear students, let me begin with a story. The four smart students. One night, the four college students went out for partying late night, and they didn't study for the test which they were having next day. So, in the morning, they have decided to plan for something. Therefore, all four of them, they made themselves look dirty with grease and dirt. They made themselves present in front of a dean, and they said they went out to a wedding last night, and when they went for the wedding, there was some issue with respect to their car. As all of them, they said one of the tire of their car got burst, so they could not present themselves for the test. So the dean thought for a minute and said that they can give the retest after 3 days. They thanked him and said they will be ready by that time. On the third day, they appeared before the dean. The dean said that as this was a special test, so all of them have to sit separately for their test. All the students, they got agreed, as they have prepared nicely for the test, because the dean has given them already extra 3 days for their preparation. So the test had begun. The test consisted of only 2 questions of 100 points, and the first question was your name, left with a blank, that carried only 1 point. The second question was which tire burst, left with a blank, and it carried 99 points. The second question was followed by 4 options. Option number A was the front left. Option B was the back left. Option C was the front right, and option D was the back right. So, what lesson we have learned from this short story? What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, try to take your responsibilities on time, or else you will learn your lesson. So students, I hope you all have understood the moral of this story, the 4 smart boys. Thank you, and get ready for your next activity.
We're the best. Max. Let's ride. Don't stop. What do you want to do? 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 Yo lo que quiero bailar. Come on. Let's go. Citrus. Yo lo que quiero bailar. Come on. Let's go. Citrus. Yo lo que quiero bailar. Damn, Max. Wow, look at this party. Check out everybody dancing. We're here in South Beach, living the life, making the party. Why that, it's here.